Now in this example, I'm using the WebGoat vulnerable application, and I'm also using Burp, the Burp Suite proxy, right? So here I'm actually going to the proxy and enabling intercept, so enabling the actual proxy. And remember that actually in order for you to use a proxy, you have to launch or configure your web browser to point to the proxy. So in this case, actually to myself. So I already configured that as you learned in previous lessons. So now if I go back to the application itself, I have the ability to add a comment in there. So the comment that I'm putting there is hello. So what I'm doing in here is actually I want to collect that post request from that form, but I want to actually modify that with my own XML code. And if you look at closer example in here, I'm putting the command file with the colon ////, and then I'm entering the comment Omar was here, right, and XXE. So let's forward that to the application by clicking on forward in here. So let's go back to the application itself, and you actually see that the comment Omar was here is present, along with all the different directories and other files of the system. So now that you know that the application is actually vulnerable to this, let's do a little bit better example. So in this case, I'm actually going back to the application, type in test, hitting submit. I go back to Burp, and I'm going to modify this now. But instead of sending just a file command, I'm sending file and then etc password. And I want to actually display the password file. So let's forward that to the web server. And then if you go back to the application, you actually see give me password, and then all the different contents, right? All the different users within the password file. So this can be extremely catastrophic, and of course, depending on the goal that you actually have, you can display users, you can display files, sensitive files, and execute commands